Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to send Google Form responses to a Google Sheet. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then search for Google Forms here, and then click on this first link, and then from here click on go to forms. Now make sure that you are signed in with your Gmail account, and then click on this blank option here, and basically to transfer the responses to a Google Sheet here, you will click on responses, and then here at the top you can see that we have this option link to sheets. So all of your responses will be recorded here, but if you want to basically like record your responses in a sheet, you will click on this option where it says link to sheets, and this will, here you can see that it is now basically asking from you that whether you want to make a new sheet, or you can basically select an existing sheet. So I will click on create a new sheet, and this will basically opens up the Google Sheet onto the new tab. And now basically when your form gets a response, a new response, it will be stored here in this sheet as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.